When I miss Korea, I cook this. I've loved kimbap since I was a kid, but growing up, kimbap wasn't something we had every day. It was for special days. So for me, kimbap has always tasted like happiness. Every time I go back to Korea, I have to eat kimbap, especially my aunt's kimbap. Honestly, it's the best in the world. I still miss it every time. Making traditional kimbap can be pretty tedious, and maybe it's because I'm heavy-handed, but I always overfilled mine, and they usually fall apart. So this is my solution. Pressed, simple, almost like musubi. Alright, it's time to dig in.